Alright, so that is my 1998 Ford Expedition, and it's got kind of a terrible noise when you jump on it and kind of bounce back and forth, like kind of when its weight sloshes back and forth, like when a sway bar would be important. An example of when this will come up is when you're like entering like a gas station and you cross that uneven part where the water drains next to the street in the gutter, and that makes the weight kind of slop from left to right really quick, and the sway bar is, the mounts are all screwed up and everything's just flat wore out. So I got some new sway bar bushings, some Moog parts here. These are the parts that actually attach the sway bar to the rear axle, and then these are sway bar links, and they're basically like an arm that goes from the body to the sway bar. So we're gonna get these, well, first we're gonna get the bad parts taken off and we'll get these on. Alright, so as we roll underneath here, you can see specifically this bushing is really smoked. It's probably been replaced before, but I mean, it's chopped. So anyway, we got to get up top there behind this wiring, take that loose, take this whole link out, and then we'll take those sway bar bushings out, and that'll be it. So let's get to it. Okay, so here's all the trash that we pulled off of here. Obviously the sway bar bushings, you can see they are some aftermarket something. Didn't age very well. You know, was red obviously and no longer is. Then also you can see here are the bushings. Those are totally messed up. This one's totally destroyed as well, so I'm gonna not even strip these down because I got new actual arms here. I didn't know what the condition was going to be, so I just like straight up got new. Hopefully it has new hardware because these are pretty clapped too, and we'll see what the new stuff looks like. So this is a set of new bushings. I got a link in the description if you want to pick those up. But basically they have a little split in them. So real simply, you just take the old cover off and peel this one off. Looks like it's right here. And get the new one put on. And then here are the new links, and it looks like they have new hardware included. So how you set this up is like this. So that's how you set that end up. One half presses in from this side, the blue, and one half presses in from that side, and then it has a little through bushing right here. That bushing goes in the middle, and then washer and a nut. Alright, so that's it. That'll be how the top is. We just got our original bolt, which is actually in really good shape, the washer, and then the two bushings, and then there's also that sleeve that gets pressed on the inside. And then the bottom, I'm going to set up like this, just with the bolt going through it, a washer in between the sway bar and the end of it. Okay, I got it just started here, so I'm going to just let
each one of these links hang until I get the actual sway bar in the vehicle. Then I'm going to tighten everything. Alright, so now that everything's in, I just pulled this bolt out, the shoulder bolt. So I'm going to put it in from the right side, go here, and then this nut is a little bit ovaled out, so it's like a locking nut. It'll go a little ways and it'll get tight, and you just hammer it. Alright, so I got everything tightened up top, right here, and my sway bar bushings, like right there where the sway bar mounts to the rear end. And so everything's tight, everything's good, and it's the one non-rusty piece under here, but hopefully it doesn't make any more noise for us. That'd be great. Thanks for watching.